Hi folks, this is Andy at todayscharts.com. I'm going to do a video here where I'll review Jim's picks, and I'm also going to look at the major indexes. I encourage you to please go to todayscharts.com to watch these videos. It's not that I want you at that site, it is because the videos are so much clearer. Your chances are you're watching this video on YouTube and it's like looking through a dirty milk bottle. I beseech you to go to todayscharts.com, watch the videos. They are absolutely clear and they will make a lot more sense. I'm going to go through Jim Cramer's picks today, but before I do, I'd like to just look at the market. Lots of times I just like to look at the Qs. Q, 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 Q. Looking at this on BobCharts, look at all the support we have right in here. I'm going to zoom in on this. I've got the MACD price threshold turned on. And you can see we've had a rally today. Wasn't quite enough to turn the MACD positive. Notice the MACD is pointed down. That's because it closed below the white line. This thing looks to me like it's going to trade down into this support area and then cross over above the white line, and we'll have a really nice divergence setup. So that's my take on the Qs. There's a great rally today, but I wouldn't get too excited about it. Let's see. Let's look at the S&P 500. There we go again. You see much the same thing in the S&P 500. We've got 1, 2, 3 converging support lines right here. Let me shut off the MACD price threshold so we can see that a little bit clearer. There we go. See all this converging support? Market didn't like that, didn't even hardly get close to it today. I suspect it'll go back down and test this support area. And how about the Dow? We'll probably see about the same thing, but maybe not. There's the Dow 30. Yeah, same thing. Market's coming down. Probably got a little further to fall on the Dow here. Anyway, I'm really bullish about this market. I really think that it's pulled back nicely in here. There's a lot of support underneath, and there's some great opportunities here. Please don't let your fear get the best of you. With that, I'm going to jump into Cramer's picks and start the second part of this video. Let's start with Apple. First thing I'll do is shut off the MACD price threshold line. We'll look at that in just a minute. Here you can see Apple is traded down into an area of support. This is an excellent place to buy Apple. Note the MACD has not started back up yet. If I turn on the MACD price threshold, I just want to show you when that is likely to happen. I'll zoom in on it. Note that the white line, which is the MACD price threshold, has traded down well down into the support area. The closing price is up here. As long as the closing price stays below the white line and the MACD price threshold, the MACD will stay pointed down. As soon as the price closes above the white line, your MACD line down here will turn up. So you can see that there's a chance that the MACD may turn up on this tomorrow. If Apple trades down at all, MACD will stay down for another day and then turn up as it walks across this white line, assuming it honors the support area, which I anticipate it will. To put it short, no rush to buy Apple. In the next few days, it'll be down on the support line. The MACD will turn positive. Great opportunity to enter Apple. Let me shut off the MACD support line or price threshold line. Okay, here we have Clear Energy. That was mentioned by Jim today. He likes the stock. It's trading right in the middle of its trading range. You see that? Equal distance to resistance and support. So no reason to rush into this one. Let it pull back a little bit. Frontline Limited. Here's a stock that's coming down towards the support area. This is a relatively weak support line. It's only coming off of 1 point here. The stronger support is down in this area. I think I'd wait for it to move down into the $35 range, and you have an opportunity there. Heinz. Heinz is approaching support very quickly. There's going to be a strong turn here in the next couple days. Note the support area here. Let's turn on the MACD price threshold just to see where that's at. You can see the white line projected out into the future. That's very accurate, by the way. It will not change in the next few days. It's an accurate line, not an estimate. As you can see, the MACD will stay pointed down for a few days because it's most likely going to stay below the white line. When the white line plunges below the support levels and the price crosses across, that's exactly when you would buy Heinz. I would guess that's about 2 days out. And I'll shut off MACD price threshold. JP Morgan. JP Morgan is up against resistance, obvious channel here. Enough said about that. No place to buy it. Coca-Cola is in the middle of a small trading range. It's in a downtrend, trying to put in a base here. I honestly think it'll probably retest this bottom, come all the way down to the support level. So again, patience will pay off there. Southern Copper. Southern Copper is trading down near the bottom of a channel. Notice there's 4 support levels in here and a nice divergence setup. See the upward sloping bottoms here in the MACD going opposite the downward price. I kind of like the MACD divergence setup forming here. But the thing that really bothers me about this one, a lot of really close resistance levels to keep it pushed down. So I think there's probably better trades out there. Sears Holdings, again, way up against resistance. Let this one back off a little bit. Tootsie Roll, heading for resistance up in here. It's got 3 resistance lines right above it. I would guess probably tomorrow it'll hit that first line, and that'll be the end of that rally. Walgreens right back down on support. Looks like it's trying to put in a little base here. You notice there are, if you can count them, there are 4 support levels immediately below it. I'll turn on the MACD price threshold so we can see when to enter the trade. Assuming you want to buy this, it is on sale. I'm guessing that you could enter this trade day after tomorrow, and all I'm looking at is I would want to buy this stock the morning it crosses the white line. You will be in the stock with the MACD pointed down the night before, write it up and own the stock with the MACD pointed up at market close. That's the perfect entry as far as I'm concerned. That's it for the list today, and if you missed what I was saying about the MACD price threshold or divergence, it's all explained in detail at todayscharts.com, along with clear, sharp versions of these videos. I know they're pretty bad here on YouTube, and I apologize for that. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.